You are not able to get any Navy Federal credit cards without having an account with Navy Federal first. So I suggest go ahead and get a savings account with Navy Federal. When I got my account with Navy Federal, I called over the phone. I got my account and say, hey, my granddad is in the, well, I asked for her account. She said, how do you qualify? I said, my granddad is in the Navy, and she set up my account. I didn't have to send in any type of verification or anything. It was very easy for me to get the account with them. And then I applied for a credit card. So you can do the same thing. I literally recently just got my kids' savings accounts with them. I have business accounts with them. So definitely you have to have an account with Navy Federal before you can actually get a credit card. But it's very, very easy to get these accounts, you guys. You can call, you can do it over the phone, you can go right in and get the account. And then if you don't have certain verifications, then let them know that and see what options you have to say, hey, I don't have the verification for, some people say their father passed away, but he was in the military. I would say tell them that and see what they say, and then just go from there. But you do need to have an account. You really do need to have an account. And for those people that actually, like I just said, I got my kids' accounts with Navy Federal also. For those people that have children and you got into Navy Federal and it wasn't because you personally, it was because one of your parents, please get your kids accounts with Navy Federal so that they can automatically be in their system and they don't have to go through all the loopholes that we're going through now. You can get your kids set up. And I love Navy Federal because when I talked to Navy Federal, they said, hey, your daughter's 13 now. When she turned 14 in a few months, we'll be able to give her a check-ins account. And that is really good because it's going to start teaching your kids how to manage money. So definitely get them an account right away so that your kids don't have the problems that you have. So if you get your butt in there, go ahead and get them an account right away. Okay. And that's just my advice to you. I don't know if your parents is a member that you automatically can be a member. I don't know if that's what it is or they have to be in the military or anything, but my kids are little still. My oldest is 13, so I just got her savings account through them so that I can go ahead and pay her, and when she turned 14 she can get the checkings account. So I just suggest that you guys get them an account right away. Even like my little baby got just a regular savings account with them, a custodial account. So definitely get them an account right away so they can be with Navy Federal because it's a very great credit union